Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix alarm no sound on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on clock app. Allow alarms. After allow alarms, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.